The T icon is for the Text tab. Within the Text panel are the options to create both 2D and 3D text. Both work in the same way. Start by dragging a text box. This defines the area in which the text will write. It can be rescaled and rotated using the bounding box. Text can be formatted in all the ways you would expect, with fonts, size, colour, style and alignment. With 2D text, you have the additional option to background fill the text box with a colour. When you are happy with the formatting, simply click outside of the text box to apply it to the canvas. Once applied, no further changes can be made. With 3D text, clicking out of the text box will create the 3D text model. Again, you will no longer be able to retype or reformat the text. However, because it is a 3D model, you can reselect it to resize and reposition. 3D text can be an inventive way to make new 3D shapes. Different characters and fonts can be useful to create new primitive 3D objects to use in your scenes and models. So give it a go and get creative with text in Paint 3D.